Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all of you are fit and fine at home. So, are you ready for social science class? Yes. So, today I will share one interesting fact about Earth. Our home, Earth, is the only world known planet to support an atmosphere with free oxygen, oceans of liquid water on the surface, and the big one is life. So, I am just sharing with you the fact about our planet Earth on which we are living. That Earth is the only world known planet to support an atmosphere where there is oxygen, there is water on the surface, and big one life is possible on Earth. Yes, so now it's a study time for all of us. Yes, students. So, welcome to my social science class. In social science, we are studying chapter number 3, the Northern Plains. In this chapter, we have already discussed about the Northern Plains location, where they are located from west, from west in Punjab to east in Assam. The Northern Plains are located. Himalayan rivers we have discussed. We have discussed about Satluj River Basin also. Ganga River Basin also we have discussed, and Brahmaputra River Basin also we have discussed in our earlier classes. Life in northern plains like Punjab and Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, this we have already discussed in our earlier class. Today we will discuss about West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. But before that, we will we will just do a quick recapitulation about West Bengal. Yes, West Bengal. West Bengal is in the east of India. The land is very fertile due to Ganga Brahmaputra delta. So here this is West Bengal, and here from Ganga and Brahmaputra delta, this land is very fertile. Yes, West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Victoria Memorial, a monument to Queen Victoria, was built of white marble by British. So here in West Bengal, Victoria Memorial is a monument, on the name of Queen Victoria, which was built of white marble by Britishers. So this you can see here. This is Victoria Memorial. This is a monument which was built by Queen Victoria, and which was built of white marble by the Britishers. In West Bengal, rice and jute are the main crops. So here there are rice and jute crops grown here. Bengali is the main language here spoken in West Bengal. Durga Puja is the most important festival celebrated here in West Bengal. Now we will talk about the another state which lies in northern plains. We will talk about Assam. Assam is in the northeast of India. Dispur is the capital of Assam. So here you can see in the map of India, Assam is here. So the state Assam is to the northeast of India, and the capital of Assam is Dispur. Rice and jute are the main crops grown here in Assam. Assam is famous for its tea. So here in Assam state, Assam state is famous for growing tea. Assam has huge deposits of petroleum. Guwahati is the largest city. So here in Assam, Guwahati is the largest city. You can see here, this is a tea which is of Assam only, and here in Assam there are deposits of petroleum. Assamese is the main languages, and Bihu is the main festival celebrated here in the Assam. So people here speak Assamese. The Kaziranga National Park in Assam is famous for its one-horned rhinoceros. So here in Assam there is a Kaziranga National Park, which is famous for only one-horned rhinoceros. So here the rhinoceros is there, and it is having only one horn. Here it is a map of Assam. In Assam, Dispur is the capital of Assam, and here in Guwahati we have Guwahati is the largest city of Assam. Yes, in Kaziranga there is a Kaziranga National Park, which is famous for one-horned rhinoceros. Now we will talk about another state, the last state of the northern place, that is Tripura. So where is Tripura here? In the map of India, Tripura is this one. This is Tripura state. So Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh on its three sides. So here you can see Tripura is here, and from three sides, from north, west and south, it is being surrounded by Bangladesh. Yes. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. So Agartala is the capital of Tripura. Rice and jute are the main crops grown here in Tripura. Now students, we will talk about the word power. Today we will discuss about the word power. What you have to do, you have to write this in your notebook and then you have to learn the word power because these are the keywords of this chapter which you should know with the meanings. Yes, alluvium. Alluvium, what is alluvium? Fine sand and silt deposited by the rivers. Yes, so alluvium is the fine sand and silt deposited by the rivers. River basin, the area watered by a river and its tributaries are called river basin. So river basin is the area which is watered by a river and its tributary. Tributary, what is tributary? A river or a stream that flows into a large river is known as tributary. So what is tributary, students? Tributary is a large river, or a stream that flows into a large river. What is delta? A delta is a flat land where a river deposits its sediments before falling into the sea. So what is delta, students? A flat land where a river deposits its sediments before falling into the sea. These are the word powers which you have to write in the notebook. Yes. So now we will discuss about let us recall. Yes. So it is a summary of the chapter number 3, the northern plains. This also you have to write in the notebook. Let us recall. The northern plains stretches from Punjab in west to Assam in the east. A number of Himalayan rivers flow through the northern plains. The three rivers that have played an important role in making of the northern plains are the Satluj River, Ganga River and Brahmaputra River. The Himalayan rivers have deposited fertile soil in the northern plains. The northern plains include the state of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, Tripura and Delhi. So these are the states which come in the northern plains. Farming is the main occupation in most of these states. Now there is book exercise A, B and C. What is a book exercise, students? The Ganga originates from the Gangotri Glacier. So the answer is Gangotri Glaciers. The most populous state in India is Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. Tell me, which is the most populous state in India? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Durga Puja is the most important festival of Punjab, West Bengal, Odisha. So which is the most important festival? Where is the Durga Puja celebrated? In Punjab, West Bengal or Odisha? It is West Bengal. Bhakra Dam is built on the river Beas, Satluj or Ravi. So the answer is river Ravi. Sangpo is another name of Ganga, Brahmaputra and Son. What is the another name of Sangpo? Yes, students, tell me what is the name, another name. So the another name for Sangpo is Brahmaputra. Yes. Now we will do fill in the blanks. So first fill in the blanks. Dash and dash are the rivers which flow through Punjab. So what is the answer, students? Tell me. The answer is Satluj, Ravi and Beas are the rivers which flow through Punjab. The rivers dash and dash form the biggest delta in the world. Which are the two rivers which form the biggest delta in the world, which is known as Sundarban also? So the rivers are Ganga and Brahmaputra, which form the biggest delta in the world, which is known as Sundarban. The Taj Mahal is in, I know everyone knows the answer. Yes, so the Taj Mahal is in Agra. Fourth, dash is the main crop of Assam. So which is the main crop of Assam? Rice. The Yamuna joins the Ganga at a place called dash. So where does the Yamuna river join Ganga? What is that place known called as? It is Allahabad and that place is known as Sangam also. Yes. Dash is the famous in its one-horned rhinoceros. So the answer is Kaziranga National Park is famous for its one-horned rhinoceros. Kolkata is situated on the bank of the river. Where is Kolkata situated? On which river bank? On which banks of river it is situated? City Kolkata, capital of West Bengal. It is situated on river Hooghly. Now there is true and false. So you have to tell me which statement is true and which statement is false. The capital of Punjab is this full. False or true? It is false because the capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Yes, Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana and Punjab both. Yes, the Chandigarh is a union territory. Chandigarh is a union territory or not? Yes, Chandigarh is a union territory. Uttar Pradesh is thickly populated state. True or false? It is true. The Hooghly flows through West Bengal and falls into Bay of Bengal. Is it true? Yes, it is true. The Brahmaputra is the smallest river which flows through the northern plains. Yes? No, it is false. The Brahmaputra is the longest river which flows through the northern plain. The Ganga flows through the northern plains at a high speed. It is true or false? Yes, it is true because the Ganga flows through the northern plains at a high speed. Now we will move to the recapitulation. Today what we have discussed, students, we have discussed word power, we have done fill in the blanks, we have done true and false. So what you have to do now, you have a homework. Do word power, let us recall in notebook, and book exercise A, B and C in book only. And then you have to take the picture pic of the notebook homework and the book homework and send it on the school portal homework. Yes, where homework upload is there, so you can upload your homework at that place in the school app. Parents, kindly take the pics of your word homework and upload on school app by 9 July evening, or you can upload it till 10 July evening latest. Okay, so till then, thanks and have a nice day, students.
So now we will do a recapitulation of the chapter. So today students what we have studied about celestial bodies, we have studied on your own as
Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all of you are fit and fine at home and enjoying at home. So, let's start with our social science class. In social science, there is an interesting fact about Earth which I would like to discuss with you. Our home, Earth, is the only world known planet to support an atmosphere with free oxygen, ocean of liquid water on the surface, and a big one, life. So, here on Earth, we have oxygen, yes, and water is also available on Earth, and the big one is that life is possible on Earth, yes, the planet on which we live. So now it's a study time for all of us, and you all have to bring the social science book and notebooks. So welcome, I welcome you all in my social science class. So in social science we are studying chapter number 3, the northern plains. And in northern plains, we have discussed about the location, Himalayan rivers, Satluj river basin, Ganga river basin, Brahmaputra river basin, and the life in northern plains, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Assam, and Tripura. But we will just do a recapitulation what we studied in earlier class. So we will talk about West Bengal, life in West Bengal. West Bengal is in the east of India. The land is very fertile due to Ganga Brahmaputra delta. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. So you can see here West Bengal is here, and here it forms the largest delta of the world, which is known as Sundarban. Now because of this delta, this is the land is very fertile the land of West Bengal is very fertile. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Victorial Memorial, a monument to Queen Victoria, was built of white marble by the Britishers here in West Bengal. So this is a Victoria Memorial monument. The rice and jute are the main crops grown here in West Bengal. Bengali is the main language spoken here in West Bengal. Durga Puja is the most important festival celebrated in West Bengal. So you can see here, this is a picture of Durga Puja, which is celebrated here in West Bengal. Now we will talk about another state in northern plains, that is Assam. Assam is in the northeast of India. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Rice and jute are the main crops grown here in Assam. Assam is famous for its tea. So here in Assam, there is tea plantation. Assam has huge deposits of petroleum. Guwahati is the largest city of Assam. So you can see here, this is a tea which is being produced in Assam, and here in Assam there is a deposit of petroleum. Assamese is the main language spoken here in Assam, and Bihu is the main festival celebrated here in Assam. So this is Bihu festival. The people in Assam are celebrating Bihu festival. The Kaziranga National Park in Assam is famous for its one-horned rhinoceros. So you can see here there is only one horn rhinoceros which are there in Kaziranga National Park in Assam. So here Dispur is the capital of Assam. Guwahati is largest city of Assam. Kaziranga National Park is having one-horned rhinoceros. Now we will talk about Tripura, another state of northern plains. Here we found it, the Tripura state. Yes. Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh on its three sides. So you can see here Tripura state is here, and it is being surrounded by Bangladesh from three sides, from south, west, and north. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. Rice and jute are the main crops grown here. Now students, we will talk about the word power, which you have to write in the notebook and you have to learn also. These are the key words of this chapter. Okay, alluvium, fine sand and silt deposited by the rivers. So what is alluvium? Alluvium is a fine sand and silt deposited by the rivers. River basin, the areas watered by a river and its tributaries. Tributary, what is tributary? A river or a stream that flows into a large river is known as tributary. Delta, what is delta? A flat land where a river deposits its sediments before falling into the sea. So that land is known as delta. Now we will discuss about let us recall, and this let us recall also you have to write in the notebook of social science. This is a summary of this chapter. So we will discuss one by one. The northern plains stretches from Punjab in west to Assam in the east. A number of Himalayan rivers flow through the northern plains. The three rivers that have played an important role in making the northern plains are the Satluj, Ganga river and the Brahmaputra river. The Himalayan rivers have deposited fertile soil in the northern plains. So because of Himalayan river, there are deposited there in the northern plains, the fertile soil is being deposited because alluvium is being carried from the rivers. Yes, and they are being deposited on the river banks. The northern plains include the states like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, Tripura and Delhi. Farming is the main occupation in most of these states. Now we will do the book exercise. This you have to do in the book. Yes. Take the right answer. The Ganga originates from Gangotri Glacier, Yamunotri Glacier or Haridwar. Tell me what is the answer? The answer is Gangotri Glacier. The most populous state in India is Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and the answer is Uttar Pradesh. Durga Puja is the most important festival. Durga Puja is the most important festival of Punjab, West Bengal or Odisha. Tell me what is the answer? The answer is West Bengal. The Bhakra Dam is built on the river Bees, Satluj River, Ravi River. What is the answer? Answer is Satluj River. Sangpo is another name of the Ganga River, Brahmaputra River or Sun. Yes, tell me, Sangpo is another name of Brahmaputra River. Yes, so now we have done tick the correct answer. You have to do this tick the correct answer in the book only. Fill in the blanks. Dash, dash and dash are the rivers which flow through Punjab. So which are the rivers which flow through Punjab? Satluj, Ravi and Bees. These are the rivers which flow through Punjab. The rivers dash and dash form the biggest delta in the world. Which are the two rivers which form the biggest delta in the world, which is known as the Sundarban also? Yes, tell me which is the river? The Ganga River and Brahmaputra River. Third, the Taj Mahal is in the dash. Tell me what is the answer? The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Yes. Now fourth, dash is the main crops of Assam. Which is the main crop of Assam? Tell me fast, think and tell me. The answer is rice. The Yamuna joins Ganga and at the place called, tell me, the Yamuna joins the Ganga at a place called, what is the answer? Where did Yamuna and Ganga joins? The place is Allahabad, and it is also known as Sangam. Yes. Dash is famous for its one-horned rhinoceros. So which place is famous for its one-horned rhinoceros? Just now we have discussed. It is Kaziranga National Park. Kolkata is situated on the bank of river. Which river is Kolkata city situated? On river Hooghly. Now we will do right, true and false. I will give you the sentence and you have to say whether this statement is true and false. The capital of Punjab is Dispur. It is true or false? It is false. Yes, the capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Yes. Chandigarh is a union territory. Yes or no? It is true. Uttar Pradesh is a thickly populated state. True. The Hooghly flows through West Bengal and falls into Bay of Bengal. Yes, it is true or false? The Hooghly flows through West Bengal and falls into Bay of Bengal. Yes, it is true. The Brahmaputra is the smallest river which flows through the northern plains. It is false because it is the longest river, yes, which flows through the northern plains. The Ganga flows through the northern plains at a high speed. This statement is true or false? Tell me fast. Yes, it is true because the Ganga river flows through the northern plains at a high speed only. Now recapitulation students, what we have done today. Today we have discussed about word power, we have discussed about letters recall, and we have discussed about the book exercise. Fill in the blanks, tick the correct answers and true and false. Yes, now there is a homework for you all. And what is the homework? Do word power and letters recall in notebooks and book exercise A, B and C in book. So what you have to do, you have to write word power and letters recall in the notebook, social science notebook, and book exercise A, B and C in the book. And then you have to take the pic of these these homework, word power, letters recall, book exercise A, B and C, and just you have to upload on the school app. Yes, you can do this with the help of your parents. So parents, kindly take the pic of your words homework and upload on school app positively by 9th July evening. Yes, or you can take 1 day extension and then you have to upload this homework on the school app. Yes, and this time I want each and everyone to upload the homework on the school app so that I can check your homework and I can give you the assessment marks, because all of you know that homework and notebook carries the marks. Yes, there is an assessment marks for homework and notebooks. So you have to do the homework and then you have to upload the pictures on the school app. Yes, till then, thank you and have a nice day, students.